I'm sitting in a 2017 Ram 1500. We're going to program a new Fobik key, an original, the real deal. It is not programmed, the buttons do not work yet. And to verify you have the right key, stick it in the ignition with the door open and you should hear the chime. If you hear that, you're going to be good to go. If you don't hear that, it's not going to work. Start with the RAM, pickup, pin extraction, 17, pin RFH, ignition's off, press the hazard light buttons right there. Read pin 4545, back out, key coding 17, immobilizer, they're on, program key, it is in the lock position, pin is stored, okay, 3 keys programmed. Now we'll turn off the flashers, take the key out, key works, stick it in the ignition, you hear the chime, it'll say key in ignition, turn it to on, and this vehicle's done.